What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. I just wanted to show you guys something that I'm going to do today is replace this screen protector. So don't worry, that's not the screen or anything that's damaged. It's the screen protector that the previous owner put on here, and he didn't put it on properly. So you can see right here, this corner doesn't look right, and then if you look down here, this has a sharp-edged corner, and then over here it doesn't match at all. And then now up here had like a cross-cut corner. So this sharp-edged corner right here should have actually been in this corner right here. I don't know how somebody screwed this up, but they put it on basically upside down. So I ordered some screen protectors off Amazon about a month ago. They had to come from China. Those are the only ones I could find. They all had to come from China. This was the cheapest option. It was $6.99. I'm going to put the link down in the description if you want to buy some. Surprisingly enough, the package got here, it's been about 3.5 weeks, and it was actually packaged really well. I'm really surprised. Like the envelope it came in wasn't busted up at all, and it was in a nice cardboard protective box. Well, not really a box, but like a hard cardboard envelope that was keeping these nice and straight. And I'm pretty sure that this one, unlike the one that's on there, yeah, this one doesn't have any sort of like glass or anything. This is straight film. Whereas this one up here, I don't know, I don't even think it's like glass. It's weird. It has like this under sheath on it that's like just regular plastic film, but then on top it almost has like a glass sort of texture, or it's some kind of hard plastic. All I know is that they can separate from each other, and if you don't peel them together, it actually starts to crack. I wonder if I can get it to crack. So if I can get it to crack right here. Yeah, you see how it's cracking? But it's not glass. Like, I've had glass screen protectors on phones. This is not glass. This is some kind of like other film. It's some kind of plexiglass, or I don't know, plexi plastic type film. So I'm just gonna peel this off. I'll get this the rest of the way off of here. And then I'm gonna put on the new one. There we go. We got a fresh screen. And we'll put our new screen protector over this. Alright, so inside our screen protector kit here, we have an alcohol prep pad that we'll use to clean up the screen, get any of the old residue off of it. We got a little cloth right here to wipe dust. And then you actually get some stickers here. These are guide stickers. You can use the guide stickers on like the corners of this to help you kind of place it down if you need to. And then right here we have a dust absorb, which is basically just a sticker that you can pat on the screen and pick up little micro things of dust before you lay down your protector here, so that way you don't have any dust underneath of it. And then right here is just like a little card that I guess you can use to flatten the air bubbles and anything out. It's not very sturdy, so it's probably not even that useful. A credit card would probably work way better than that thing would, especially for something of this size. So I'm going to use my alcohol prep pad, get any residue taken care of, then I'll use this to wipe the surface down, and if I see any more dust, I'll use this to just kind of stick little pieces of dust, and then I'll place this on. Alright, so you can see there's like some residue and stuff on the screen here from the old protector. I'm just going to wipe all this residue off of here. Use this alcohol pad, get all the way up to the edges, get all this residue off of here. It's fine that it's saturated in alcohol, and then just use some medium light pressure, get any sticky residue off of here. If you didn't have a screen protector on here before, it's not going to be as difficult for you to clean this up, but I had a little bit of residue, so I'm just trying to make sure I get all of that off. Alright, I think that's good. Now I'll grab a little microfiber-esque towel that they sent. Kind of use that to dry it up, but also clean off any other dust or particulates. Probably not going to get this perfect with this cloth. I can actually see some scratches in the screen, so I think the previous owner actually put the screen protector on after, you know, quite a few rides or maybe some washes here and there, because these screens do take to scratches pretty easily. So it's always a good idea to do this as soon as you get the bike brand new, or if you buy it used. Using a screen protector can also actually help get rid of these little micro scratches that you can see in here in certain light. So you can kind of see like some swirling and stuff in there. Once the screen's on, you can't really see it anyways, but putting a screen protector over this stuff can actually make them disappear. It's just the way the lighting refraction works. So I'm going to put the camera down so I can use both hands, get my screen protector on there, and then I'll just show you the result. Alright, so I got it on there. It's not 100% perfect. I got the bubbles out as best as I could. Some of them might disappear over time. I'm trying to get it to focus. Like right here, a couple little particles of dust actually got up under there too. I mean, it is what it is. It still looks like 100 times better than it was, and it's not upside down anymore. Protection is protection. That's all I really care about. So I did use the guide stickers. They help you just make sure that you don't touch the backside with the sticky part. This part right here that I'm pulling up is actually the second side of the protector. This is like the final portion. It's just to peel this little piece off. So I take that off, and I'm gonna like put my hand in here to get this thing to focus. So as you can see, it's not that bad. Installation's good enough for me. I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah, I can't really see a whole lot of the imperfections when the screen's on anyways. And then when it's out in the sunlight, these will be harder to see as well. All I care about is knowing that I have some sort of protection on this thing to keep it from getting too scratched up. And that's it. So it's as easy as that. I really recommend getting a screen protector for these things. Take care of your bikes. So until the next video, I'll see you guys then.